Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here problem solving exercise 6.2. This exercise is a very important exercise. Question number first has been completed in last lecture. Today we'll discuss here question number second and third. First of all, discuss here question number second. Line XY and MN intersect at O if POY angle given is 90 degree and angle A ratio be given here 2:3, then find value of angle C. A diagram here given. The first of all draw the diagram, then discuss with the diagram, then we will solve the question here. First, now look here. Question number second here. I will discuss here. First draw the diagram here. Angle XY, this is a X and Y. And this name of this point is O. This point name is the M. And one is 90 degree angle over here. One is the 90 degree angle here. Name of this point is the P. And value of this angle is A. Value of this angle is B. And this one is the C. And this one is the 90 degree angle. So now, what things given here? Given here, angle POY equal to 90 degree. Next, and angle A ratio be equal 2:3. Then find C. This we will find here. Now look here. POY. Here given angle is POY. This is the 90 degree angle. In this side angle also is 90 degree, because suppose here one straight line and in this angle is the 90, this also is 90 angle. Both angle will be 90 because this is the perpendicular and this is the line of the base. Perpendicular on this, so this is 90, also this will be 90 here. According to this rule, so you will be A plus B. What value of the A plus B equal to 90? Are given here ratio A plus B. So now let A equal to 2K and angle B equal to 3K. Suppose this is given in the ratio. So now angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree. This is the given. And what value of the A? 2K plus 3K equal to 90 degree. मतलब a value of the A 2K and value of the B equal to 3K. So you put the value of the place of the A and B here. So this is the 5K equal to 90 degree. So what value is 18 5 and 90. The value of the K equal to 18 degree. So value of the K equal to 18 degree. So now put the value of the A. Angle A equal to here. Angle A equal to 2K, that means 2 into 18 equal to 36 degree. Angle B equal to 3K, the 3 into 18 degree, 54 degree. So what is the actual value of the A and B? The 36 degree and 54 degree. Now look here. First of all, find the value of the A. What is the value of the A and B here? The A and B value here 2K. A and B ratio given 2:3. What will suppose I am ratio converting the proportion sign. The A equal to 2K let and B equal to 3K. This ratio converting in proportion sign. The A angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree. So putting the value of A and B from here, then you calculate the value of the K equal to 18 degree. Again put value of the K here and here. You get the answer A angle A and B here. Actual value of the A and B here. After that, you will be find the value of the C. this angle. So then how to find out angle of this C? So then now you check this. If this angle C, this is the straight line angle. This one is the straight line angle. B plus C equal to 180 degree. Then you can see here angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. How to possible is the linear pair. This is the linear pair. Then you can say angle value B equal to here 54 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle C equal to 180 degree minus 54. This 54 transposing this side. Then you will get the angle C is equal to 10 minus 4 6 and 7 minus 5 2 126 degree. The value of the C equal to value of the angle C equal to 126 degree. And this is the value of the 126 degree. Next things here, you under the first of all what things given in the question, what things given in the diagram, you compare the study of both things and then you can find what things you find that. Then you will be according to the given condition and diagram. You can find the you will solve the question here. So in this question you will find the angle C and ratio AB already given here. So this ratio you will be converting the actual values. After that using the B plus C is equal to linear pair according these rules, then you can find angle of C. Yes, note down. Then next question. Take a screenshot and yes class. Next question, question number second here, third. This figure are already given in the book. So angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. To prove that this angle PQ is equal to angle PRT. So first of all, draw the diagram, then we solve the question here. Yes, now look here. This one is the given here PQR. And name of this point here ST. Both sides equal. So then you can say no, both sides is not equal here. Given condition here, both angle equal. This angle is equal. So what things given here now? Look here. Angle PQR, this angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Angle PRQ means this angle or this angle both are equal. This is the given condition, and prove that. Then you will write as the to prove. Okay, angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So then you will solve this question here. If first of all, what things given here? If this angle or this angle are given, PQR this angle and PRQ this angle, both angle given here. This is symbol already mentioned here. Or what things prove that this angle and this angle we will prove that here. So now look here. According to figure here, sum of the two angles, both the angle and linear pair, and this angle also is the same pair of this. So now according this condition, you can write an angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree. Sum of this angle or this angle. So this is the both angle linear pair. Then you can write here because linear pair. Both the angle linear pair. Similarly here, this is the equation first. Similarly here, angle PRT plus angle PRQ equal to is same 180 degree because here linear pair, and this one is the equation second. Same condition, this angle is the linear pair, or this angle also linear pair. The equation first second. So now look here, this sum of the two angle will 180 and sum of these two angle equal to 180. So both right side is equal, then you can equating the both equation here, then LHS is also equal. So now from equation first and second, and with help with equating both equation here, angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. How is possible? Because sum of two angle is equal to 180 and sum of two angle also is 180. The right side is equal, then you can equate the left side also. Then we have equated the both side, both equation here. Now look at what things prove that here. Now check it. If PQS already you have, and PRT also, means those two things you will don't touch it. You will touch these two angles here. Means this and this angle you will not cancel. PQR already given a PQR equal to PRQ. Both the angle given here. PQR equal to PRQ. Now given condition here. So now using this, angle PQS plus angle, what value of the PQR? PRQ. PRQ equal angle PRT plus angle PRQ. And this will be cancelled here. What is left? PQS equal to PRT. Proved. HENC, hence proved. Hence proved. It is hence proved. Those things you have required, this is already proved there. So how is it possible? Because it is given, means using the given condition, you can write here mention the angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. These things are given, because these things are given, you are using these things here, you mention in bracket here. How it possible that these two angles already equal, you mention PQR place the PRQ. PRQ will be cancelled, so what is left? This portion. This is your answer. According, question is not difficult. You understand these things, what things given and what things you find here. How to collaborate of these things in the diagram of also it. Just note down the next question. Yes class, question number 5. This is the important question or different type question of this exercise. Question number 5 given here कि POQ is a line, ray OR, QR is the perpendicular on the PQ, and OS is the another ray of the between ray OP and OR. So prove that these things. So first of all we will draw the diagram, then we will discuss about the question here. Now look here. Question number 5. Question number 5 here. The ray name of this P and Q and name of this O. Name of this is a R. POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OQR perpendicular on PQ, and OS another ray, and this is a ray is another ray here. Name of this ray is OS. What things given here? Now look here. OR is perpendicular on PQ, and to prove that, to prove angle ROS equal half angle of angle QS minus angle POS. These things will prove that here. The first things here. So what things given here? What things you find here? Angle OR perpendicular PQ. OR is a perpendicular on PQ. Means angle ROQ is 90 and ROP is also is 90. Our second things given here to OS ray is the between OP and OR. Between OP and OR. This ray is the between OP and OR. After that, you will be proved that this thing is angle ROS. This angle equal to angle QS minus POS and half of this. Just now start this question here. Now, what things given here? Angle POR. Yeah, POR equal to angle ROQ equal to 90 degree. This is the given. Next things here. After that, you measure these two angles here. The angle POS, angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 90 degree. Because this sum of two angles 90 degree, this is also is given. After this, POS, you have required here ROS. So then you mention here angle ROS equal to 90 minus angle POS. Now look here. You have required here ROS. The ROS don't transpose the right side. You transfer this POS. The angle ROS equal to 90 minus POS. This angle you have required left side of the ROS. The ROS don't transfer the right side. The ROS same things here. So then you can add angle ROS plus angle ROS equal to 90 minus angle POS plus angle ROS. Means adding ROS both sides. You can write here adding angle ROS from both sides. This operation, ROS you adding left side and ROS you adding the right side. So means question will be not changed here. The value of the question is not changed. After that, so now adding ROS, the two angle ROS, left side ROS plus ROS, 2 ROS and equal to 90 plus ROS. Then now look at 90 angle this one or ROS this. So you can write a 90 plus angle ROS this portion. 90 plus ROS. This ROS or this 90 you can write one together or minus angle POS. So you doing separate is 90 plus ROS. The value of this, what value of 90 plus ROS here? You can write here QOS. This value of the QOS or minus angle POS. Sum of the both angle here. Sum of the both the angle here. ROS are 90 plus ROS. This value of this total of this QOS The sum of the both angle here QS or POS is same here. So then angle ROS, this value of this, and then you can change this to this two transposing this side here. Then you can write here half of angle POS. The same things you write here. Prove that. Proof. These things is proved. These things here proved. The half angle of ROS. This is the ROS. These two multiply transpose divide. The same thing here. The ROS plus 90 degree. This is a 90 degree here. So these things are 90 minus. You write together is 90 plus ROS. When you are adding both the angle 90 plus ROS, the value of this sum of the both angle here QS or this POS you will write the same. So these things you have been proved here. PO half QS minus half POS. The value of the equal ROS. So this is the proof that next question will be. Yes, note down it.